Why are drones so loud? And why haven't we fixed this yet? Imagine trying to spy on an enemy base. You launch a drone, and before you even get close, they hear you coming from a mile away and destroy it.
It's the same issue with wildlife research. The drones disturb animals, making it harder to gather accurate data. A team of researchers from Sun Yat-sen University in Shenzhen, China, may have found a solution to one of the biggest problems with drones. But here's the catch. They didn't rely on cutting-edge engines or new technology. Instead, they took a step back and studied something that might seem completely unrelated to the problem: owls. They wanted to understand how owls achieve their silent flight. They started looking at the mechanics behind the silent flight. They discovered that the key to owls' silent flight lies in the serrated edges of their feathers. The new owl-inspired design reduced noise by an impressive 4.4 decibels. That's about 63% quieter than traditional propeller designs.